Look at this abundance of goodness. These fruits and berries are so colorful that I already want to eat them. Hello, friends. Today we will sculpt bright, juicy, and very appetizing fruits and berries from air-dry clay. And by the end of this video, we will turn them into beautiful magnets for the fridge. Let's get started.
Bamba, bamba.
Let's sculpt a watermelon slice. The true homeland of watermelons is not Asia, as is commonly believed, but southern Africa. There, watermelons were cultivated more than 3 millennia ago. Later, the watermelon crop spread to the Middle East, from where it eventually migrated to other parts of the world. Watermelon is a very tasty and healthy food. Its flesh contains vitamin A, B vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin E, magnesium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, and sodium. This composition of the sweet watermelon brings many positive effects on the body. The summer taste of watermelon itself stimulates the production of happiness hormones. In summer, watermelon is great for quenching thirst, as it is 92% water. This incredibly juicy berry is low in calories, and thanks to its fiber, it helps curb hunger. Juices and sodas cannot compare to a refreshing, juicy slice of watermelon. Let's sculpt a pineapple. This amazing fruit comes from South America. By the time Christopher Columbus's expedition first reached the American shores, the indigenous people of the Caribbean islands were already cultivating pineapples. Europeans were very impressed by the fruit's taste, and soon they began to grow it in other parts of the world. Pineapple is a very sweet fruit. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and bioactive substances. Pineapple is a unique product. It pairs perfectly with meat, seafood, adds a special flavor to salads and desserts, and is itself an appetizing and healthy treat. Let's sculpt a pomegranate slice. The history of pomegranate cultivation dates back over 2,000 years. The pomegranate is truly a royal fruit. There is even a belief that the unique shape of its calyx once inspired people to create the main royal symbol, the crown. Pomegranate is the best friend for your skin, hair, nervous, and digestive systems. Additionally, pomegranates are rich in vitamins K, C, B9, and B6, and they contain folic acid, iron, potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. This fruit is one of the best for supporting heart and vascular health. Let's sculpt an apricot slice. The apricot's homeland is the Heavenly Mountains, the Tian Shan Mountains, which stretch across 5 countries. Apricot is considered the best remedy for a sluggish intestine. Apricot extract is also rich in beta-carotene, which boosts the skin's immunity and strengthens its protective functions. Dried apricots are notable for their high potassium content, which helps regulate water-salt balance, maintains muscle tone, and supports the cardiovascular system. Wow! Cherries. Cherries have been known since ancient times. Cherry pits have been found in Bronze Age human dwellings, showing that our distant ancestors enjoyed these delicious, juicy fruits. Cherry is one of the oldest cultivated berries in the world. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans loved cherries not only for their beautiful blossoms and tasty fruits, but also for their health benefits. Cherries are packed with nutrients, especially fiber. Papaya slice. It is believed that papaya originated from Guatemala and southern Mexico. This plant became known in Europe after Columbus discovered America. Despite its tropical origin, papaya is safe even for small children. Ripe papaya fruits provide a toning effect and positively influence the immune system. Papaya juice is used therapeutically for spinal hernias. Externally, it is applied to relieve pain from skin injuries and burns, to treat eczema, and to soothe insect bites. Let's sculpt an apple slice. This fruit is associated with many stories and legends. Adam and Eve, upon tasting it, were expelled from paradise. Newton made one of the greatest discoveries with its help, and according to some myths, certain apples could even grant eternal youth. Today, this fruit plays an important role in our lives. Apples are the most common fruit in our country. They are not only extremely tasty, but also very healthy. You could write whole books about the beneficial properties of apples. Apples contain a range of vitamins and trace elements that boost immunity. Finally, apples are rich in dietary fiber, which adds bulk to our diet and keeps the intestines working smoothly. You can decorate your fridge with these beautiful, colorful fruits and berries. Once the clay dries, we'll glue a magnet to the back of each fruit, and voila! Now, our fruits and berries have turned into bright, original decorations for your fridge, all made with your own hands. Subscribe and give a like so you won't miss new helpful videos. Eat delicious food and stay healthy.
Bamba, bamba.